It is possible to set up data validation on master data informations. This means if I want an information code to have a specific value in the value field, I can set up that only some things are allowed to enter. On my information code, I can define this in the column data validation out here. So in this example, I have my wheel diameter has to be a decimal field. The last date tested has to be a date field. And likewise, I can select other data validation options in here for each information code. It works like this. If I enter some nonsense in my decimal field here, and I'll leave the field, I'll give an error because the data validation was supposed to be decimal. On the other hand, if I wrote 28 instead of 29, it's possible. Likewise, on the date field, it's possible to change the date, so I could say it's the 28th of the month. But again, if I wrote something else in here, I will get an error because there's a data validation on the field and it says this is not allowed. Fields without data validation, it's of course possible to write whatever, because if there's no validation, I could say whatever I would like on this specific information code.